Hello, welcome to Red Ted Art. First things first, subscribe to the channel, and then we're going to make this cute minion. It's a gift box, so you can actually open it up, put some treats inside, so that's really good, or a little gift or something. So it's a really simple gift box. What we will need is an empty loo roll or a cardboard tube, you know, like from a kitchen towel roll, some scissors, some Pritt stick, and some you know, black pen for details, and a pencil if it just to cut. Oh, and of course some googly eyes and some pencils for you know, cutting out some details. Now I've also got some scrap bits of paper here, yellow of course and blue, and also a little bit of black somewhere. I'll find it when I need it, but that's all you need to get started. You can also use paint if you want. You can just paint the loo roll yellow and put the blue details on. It's up to you. I just think that the paper is just so super easy and quick. So to start off with, you're going to take your loo roll and you're going to measure out. I've got a little bit of extra on either side. I'm going to measure out how much I need in terms of rolling it up. So cut it roughly. It doesn't have to be super exact. And then also cut it roughly, like I say, I want it peeping out on either end. So I'm going to cut about here. Try and cut it as straight as possible, but really it doesn't have to be super neat. So before you start sticking, check that it fits. For those of you who've asked, by the way, my finger is much better. It just looks a bit yucky, and I didn't want to subject you to seeing yucky fingers. Don't worry, it's healing. So I can actually start using it, so that's good. So now that fits, I'm going to literally just put some Pritt stick all over, especially at the edges, because that helps keep it in place. Like so. I do use Pritt stick compared to other glues, or a glue stick rather than like a white glue. The reason is paper wrinkles if you use glue that is wet, and that helps stop or at least reduce some of the wrinkles. So then I just roll it up really careful like that and tuck in the edges. That gives you a nice neat finish, which is good, and it's really easy. You don't really have to glue those down if you don't want to. You can do if you want. So that's the basic shape. Now I'm going to show you how to shape it into a gift box, because I know where to put my eyes. So basically you take, this is where the back is, so I'm going to squeeze that in. Don't worry if it comes down a bit, like so. And then this is the front, and then you squeeze that in gently. If you wait for your paper to dry a little bit, usually you'll get a slightly neater fold. But to be honest, you know, it's not that an exact science. Right, so now I'm going to get some black so I can put the little eye band on. So I think all you need is really to cut a strip all the way along. This is good if you can get it as even as possible. But again, it's not an exact science. I think this is a bit fatter at this end. Here we go. So check that it fits all the way around. This one does. And give it a little trim, so you know it just overlaps. Get your glue and glue it on. Like so. These are really cute. I think they're great for Father's Day. You could fill them with sweets. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Make sure that the you know, the join is at the back, like so. There we go. Maybe push it up a little bit. There, that's good. Time for some googly eyes. Now I happen to have different sizes, so I've put a big one on that one, and then put two little ones on this one. If you don't have googly eyes, just cut out a white circle and a black circle and glue them on, and I think that'll still look cute. So don't worry about it, about different sizes. And also, if you're doing a set of them, it's nice to have a variety of different what's it called, different minions. Okay, so now I'm going to just take my toilet roll again, measure out, make sure it fits all the way around again. Oh, I just moved my googly eye. Let's move that down. That needs to dry. So I'm just going to make sure it fits. Again, this has got quite a lot extra. I'm going to tuck it in, but I think it's maybe a bit too much extra, but I will let it tuck in. Again, like with the yellow. So you want it showing over the edge. Right, so you wanted to go quite high up because you'll see in a minute I just need to cut a bit of detail. Okay, so it's going to go quite high up. Now what I need, because it goes, you know, you need a little you know, pocket there, so it's sort of around the middle. I'm going to just mark where I want my pockets. So I think I want them here and here, yeah, and then I can just cut that. So cut it in and cut it in, and then you need to cut across, and that will be, you know, the bit of the dungarees. Now I've got those pencil marks there, which is fine, so I'm just going to glue it down this way. I get my glue again, get it all over, especially around the edges, not my table, like so. Put it on, like so, overlapping at the bottom, like this. Okay, that's quite good. And then I can tuck this in again. Again, like I say, you can glue it into place if you want, but I don't think you need to. Now we're almost done. What we need now is a strip that goes all the way around for the shoulder leg. I'm just going to cut this straight because this is a bit messy. Let's hope this bit of glue fits all the way around. Otherwise I have to get another one. I think it will. So we go like this. Stick it all the way around. Now I know that means that the back isn't perfect because you've got some stripes there rather than part of the dungarees, but if you want you can either do a little blue circle and square and stick it on, gives it like the back of the dungarees, that looks nice. Or to be honest, I mean it's a gift box, isn't it, so you're handing it like that, so I don't think it matters too much if the details aren't quite, you know, if the back isn't perfect. I think it's all about the front with this craft. So glue it on. I've got more Minion crafts on the channel. In fact, I'm going to put an iCard up there. My plaster keeps coming off, and then you can check those out as well. So then I'm just going to stick it round, give it a little trim. So those are my dungarees. Oh, I didn't trim it enough because you want it to overlap a tiny bit, but not too much, like so. Then you get your black pen and you add your details. So add a little button and another little button, add a pocket, and then you can also add some lines for the stitches, like so. Now again, because this is all about the front of the box, I haven't gone all the way around, but I've just been lazy really. I've just left it like this. Oh, and then of course we need a little Minion smile because it's a happy Minion. And then finally, you put your present in there, then you push in the back, like so, okay? And then you push in the front, like so, and, oh, I've got a little crease. Let's get that crease out. You have another Minion gift box. Really, really cute and so simple to make. Now don't forget, I have kids crafts every Monday and Thursday. I often have bonus videos the rest of the week, but you'll get a video from me every Monday and every Thursday, and we have lots and lots of fun ideas. And I love this, that this is made from a loo roll, so it's a really great upcycle project. Don't forget to subscribe, tell all your friends, leave me comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Anyway, see you again soon. Bye.